Hey, thanks for watching again, everyone. This is going to be a real quick, like 1-minute video. I just wanted to let everyone know from my last video that I didn't commit and push these changes that I made with these examples. So I'm going to do that now real quick, just so they're out there and you don't have to wait a week for me to actually add this. If you go back and refresh this page so you can see the last commit I did with this main.js is there, first video checkpoint. But again, just want to push this second one, so I'm going to say second video checkpoint, and I'll push that for you so you can see it. And if you refresh, yep, so you can see I moved that into the examples here. So yeah, they're all in here, and you can even just see these, on GitHub if you wanted to. They're here. Again, you can clone or just download these as a zip if you want them. Hopefully, as I go, these will get more and more useful, more and more robust. Package JSON's in here. This you probably can't use so much. You'll have to generate your own, but shouldn't be a big deal. The other thing I just wanted to mention too, just shouting it out in case anyone's interested, on my page there's another project called RolePlayingGenerator. If you're interested, this is open source. This is Node, even though it's tagged as JavaScript. I think that's just how Git does it, because it's all .js files. But you can see there is a package JSON in here. I'm using some... No, I'm not using any dependencies. So yeah, I did write all this. This is all stuff. The documentation in here is real great too. So you can see it's setting it up. It's just as easy as installing it. You can set up an alias to RPG if you want, but it's an open source project for generating random content. So if you're into like role-playing games or just gaming in general, I suppose, and you want to generate random content, whether that's creatures, encounters, rolling dice, generating coins and coin values, skirmishes between creatures, rooms, critical tables, fumble tables, gems, traps. The list goes on. I'm always adding more content. I think I'm working on encounter tables right now. It's kind of like my fun side thing that I'm doing. But yeah, it's all open source. So I just also wanted to shout that out real quick, just in case anyone wanted to participate, pull that, open up like a pull request if you want to add to it, play around with it. Like I said, it's pretty neat. I have it on all my terminals. Just real quick, if you want to see an example, like if I do RPG roll 1d6, it rolls a d6. You see I got 4, so on and so forth. You can do advantage, disadvantage. You can do like multiple dice. Like I said, you can do random skirmish, 1d6 party members versus orcs, or goblins versus party, gelatinous cubes versus white dragons, whatever you're looking for. There should be a fair amount of content in there, especially like the crit tables. I really like the crit tables for like if someone criticals. So just a cool idea that I've been doing for a little bit now, pretty well documented. So I figured that may be a good second project to check out too if you just want to mess around with something and play with Node or play with the command line on something that was made literally just for having fun. Cool. All right. Thanks for watching.